Well, good morning people. Not sure you can hear me because it's very, very windy. I'll wait till I get out of wind. Enjoy the video. Oh, bit of a reprieve out at wind. Anyway, good morning people, how you all diddling? Yeah, early start, well, 6 o'clock start. I'm very blustery, well it's not blustery, it's really, really windy. And I think I'm going to have to slacken off these boots, because my Achilles flaring up. Anyway, yeah, back to today. Yeah, very, very windy day, quite sheltered here. I've got wind noise reduction on, don't know how good it's going to be, and because I lost my favourite walking stick, I'm having to use this Joe staff. I've put some tape around just to give me a little bit of a better grip. Yeah, need to slacken this off. Just reach in a second. See if that helps a bit. It just going on to this Achilles tendon thing. I didn't notice, I came to a conclusion the other day that it started when I wore these boots. Now, what I'm thinking is that because I'm so used to not wearing anything on my ankles anymore, I put these boots on, that bit there is putting pressure on the Achilles tendon. It's an old injury, making it flare up. Oh, now I'm out of that wind, it's warm. So that's what I'm thinking. I mean, I was half expecting it to flare up today, but not so quick. While I'm out of wind, new hat. Thanks to Chrissy Hutchinson for making it for me. It's a nail binded hat, nail binding, whatever, and she's making loads and loads of hats for sale. So at some point I will try and put up some pictures of the various hats and various colours and patterns and whatnot, and they're all for sale. So if you'd like I want to say hand knitted, but it's not knitted, it's nail binded. If you want a handmade nail binded hat to order, then get in touch. What were I saying? Totally gone out of my head. Anyway, had some torrential downpours here at night. Supposed to be a heavy rain weather warning in force up till about 8 or 9. But looking at the moment, I think we're going to get away with it. But between 8 and 9, I think another heavy one might blow in from west, southwest. So I might get extremely wet. Also because it's been a long time since I've been for a walk, because my head's been mashed. I think this is going to be a slow one and a difficult one, and you're going to have to excuse lenses because it's raining and it's going to keep raining, so they're going to get wet and it's pointless just keep drying them. Anyway. The reason why I've got dry bags in there is because I can't find my rain cover. But that's because, if I remember rightly, I lent it to you, Michelle, for your bag. I think when we were doing Lake District. Place fell. Hey, I remembered. So now I ain't got one for this bag. I've also got electrolyte powder in my drink and some matcha. because I like it and to stop me bonking if you give over, you know what I mean. Anyway, I had to take my shirt off because it's warm. I think that's it for now. Enjoy the video. I think when I get to Avonwyke, I'm going to find a bench that's got a shelter over it, and I'm going to strap my ankle up because it's really starting to burn now. I might even put my metal trail gloves on. Now my feet won't keep as dry. I mean, they're still waterproof to an extent. It'll take that pressure off my Achilles, I'm hoping. Also, I might not be doing any walk videos for 4 to 6 weeks because I'm having so much trouble with this GoPro. I'm going to have to send it back. It's just a pain in the arse. I can spend bloody 5-10 minutes just trying to get the damn thing to come on, which defeats the whole object of spontaneity and filming stuff that you see briefly. Look, car coming. Often you get cars down here. I suppose them in that house down there, they've got to get out somewhere. It's not very nice when covered in snow and ice. I suppose when bad weather's like that, when bad weather like that is due, I suppose they stock up and no, they can't get out. Oh, we've got snowmobiles. This rain's pretty constant. It's not overly heavy. Well, it's not heavy. But I am sheltered by trees. Yeah, class this as just under halfway around. But it's pointless turning around and going back. This is really giving me some jip. It's putting a lot of pressure on my right hip as well. Right, let's find somewhere sheltered to strap this foot up. Sure, they won't mind if I sneak under one of the shelters. One just there. Right. See if that's any better. I think I might have flared up too much for these to make it feel any better. I mean, they feel okay. They feel fine. I suppose a little bit of that pressure has gone. Might have made a mistake putting this hat on though, especially as I get up top. Thinking I'll have to either take it off or put my other back on, because I think I might lose it in this wind and it'll just go out to sea. Oh, you're really dirty. It's a little bit better. Oh look, sun. I think we might actually get a bit of intermittent sun. Oh, totally forgot about these. Wet slippy mud. They're not very good. Doubt if I'll do much talking when I'm up top, although there's a few spots where there's like a big hedge down your right hand side. I think that'll be alright. Anyway, See you up at top. Bit blustery. Take that off just in case. It's another reason why I came this way. I was going the other way because the winds are westerly, southwesterly, and I'm on the east coast. Other way, I'm really close to Cliff Edge, and I didn't want to risk it getting blown over. I know this way, majority of it, there's a nice buffer zone. So anyway, let's crack on with it. Oh, a little bit of a reprieve from that wind. By heck, I think I was bordering on gale force in places. I was thinking about stopping at that bench and having a bar and a drink. I think it's going to be way too windy there. You can see how windy it is without where my hair's blowing about. It's going in my eyes and everything. Yeah, these Merrell Trail Glove 5s, 4s, whichever they are. Absolutely crapping, bud. day, but it's nice. I'm in the sun, resting my foot, surrounded by nature. What can you ask for? I need to change this back. Oh, out of that wind for a bit. Told you these shoes are slippy. For fuck's sake! Well, I won't have this trouble with my other boots. All I need now is one of these to become a widowmaker and give up the ghost. Anyway, gonna need both hands, so I'll speak to you in a bit. Right, that were hard going. Whoa. Extremely slippy shoes, slippy wet rocks, covered in slippy wet leaves. Not the best combination. Crab boat out there. Oh well, nearly back to the car. I've had to sit in car and do my signing off. It's just way too windy out there. I am knackered. That second slip. Oh. Did I pull my thigh? Oh dear. Covers for camera out. Start car on. Get a bit of air in it. Yeah, most enjoyable walk. I did better than I thought I would. Yeah, fitness wise. Because it's been a while since I've had a good walk. Yeah, did way better than I thought. Just a shame about this Achilles tendon. Yeah, it flared up way earlier than I thought it would. Well, hey, oh, such is life, I say, such is life. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here. So I'm knackered and I want to get home. And it's 9:30. I ain't changed my clock yet, have I? Not sure. I ain't got my phone with me. Clock says 10:30, but I ain't changed it yet. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure. It's been a fun one with all that wind, but most enjoyable. Yeah, and it's been really nice having you along with me. So, until next time, be safe, be strong, and I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.